members.
It ain't safe from here, but she doesn't run from
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Abigail A, and I'm back with another video. So today I have a seamless clip-in video for you guys. Everyone with kinky hair or even 3C, 4C, 4A, 3B hair, wanting to find something, you know, that's not a wig, that can just be used as an outlet, you know, for your hair to breathe, you've clicked on the right video. So today I was sent ULAHAIR seamless clip-ins to review. I'm gonna show you guys how to style the hair. Obviously I have the clip-ins in my hair right now, but I had to put my hair in a bun because it's so hot. But as you can see, I was sent ULAHAIR clip-ins yaki straight in 18 inches, and this hair is 100% human hair. If you're looking for something that can blend into your hair 100%, then you clicked on the right video. Let's get to the unboxing because they sent me a whole lot of. So firstly, they sent me a little book, you know, educating us about their brand, showed us the do's and don'ts, you know, like what not to do with the hair, what to do. I think this is really good, especially if you've never had clip-in. They also sent me a little ULAHAIR comb, you know, to style the hair with. They sent me a wig cap in case like I want to do a wig. A little wig band as well, like repping the ULAHAIR. They also sent me a little bonnet, which I'm gonna be using, guys. I'm definitely gonna be using this. I installed these clip-ins 2 days ago, and look how good it looks. So I tried to do like a little sewing thingy. Obviously you can do any hairstyle you want with this. Like, this is literally one of the many hairstyles that I decided to do, but I'm going to show you guys the installation and how seamless and how quick it is to install the clip-ins. Hey guys, this is voiceover Abby taking over, but as you can see, I did the braid down that you would do for a sew-in, like any other braid down. My braid down is not the best, as you can see, but if you do want an in-depth tutorial, let me know. So leaving out the edges, obviously. So as you can see, these are the clip-ins, more in depth. They are so good quality, so soft, literally true to length. I got 18 inches. They even looked longer than 18 inches. But as you can see in this clip, they are so soft and bouncy. And another bonus is they are so easy to clip in. Like, this process took maximum 15 minutes. Slide it into your hair, clip, done. So as you can see, you just put them on the braid, clip. Don't mind my braid down, please do not come for me. But yeah, you just insert it into your hair, you clip. You can add as many to a row as you want to, as little. And they will be as seamless as you want it. Because my hair's quite thick already, I just kept it small. I didn't want to add too many. But yeah, you just insert it into your braid, then you clip, insert, and then clip. So I wanted to show you guys me doing this in real time because of how easy it is to do. But yeah, I feel like anyone can do this, even if you're not experienced in hair. This is one great thing about clip-ins. You can do so much with them in such little time. But yeah, this is what it's looking like so far. This is literally with not all the clip-ins. I didn't use up all the clip-ins, but look how thick and good it is. I tried to make sure that I put the clip-ins as close to my hairline, like replicating like a sew-in. So now I'm just straightening my edges and then blending them into their hair, obviously using a bit of wax. I love doing this. I don't like leaving my edges out. I like blending it in, you know, for a cleaner look. Right, so as you can see here, I accidentally left out too much hair, so I was just parting some out and then using the rest of my clip-ins. I feel like leaving a minimal amount of hair at the top really does help making the clip-ins really seamless. So as you can see, I'm just, you know, perfecting the parting. Partings are really vital in order to get it looking seamless, and straightening it as well. My hair was already slightly straightened, so as you can see in these clips, I'm not really pressing it down. I don't want to get heat damage, but I am just slightly straightening it a lot, going in the roots as well, making sure there's no kink in the roots, because my hair's quite thick, so I want it as thin as possible. But yeah, this is me basically done, just showing you guys like how easy it is to install these and how to really blend your hair. As a thick-haired girly, I know it can be really hard to blend your hair into sew-ins and clip-ins and stuff, but you literally have to do the bare minimum, and definitely getting the Yaki straight bundles definitely helped me blend. But this is me just finishing it off, styling it. You could see the track there, but I did cover it up, as you could see. But yeah, this is me done basically, and look how clean and precise it looks. Alright guys, so this is the finished product, and this is how I styled the seamless kinky straight 220 grams 12 pieces clip-ins, and finalize everything with some hairspray. Oh baby, it is strong, but right guys, so I'm just, you know, putting it in a little bun. As I said, it was so hot on this day, so leaving it on my back was just not wise at all. So guys, that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this little video showing you guys how to install these seamless clip-ins. I put my hair straight in a bun because chow is too hot to leave it out, but if you want to leave it out, you can leave it out. You can style it and you can do versatile hairstyles. But see you guys in the next one. Bye.